it's Devyn, and today I'm in Italy. Tuscany is known for amazing food. I'm going to learn how to make an Italian cake.
Okay, so now we are going to prepare Panpepato.
I'm learning how to make Panpepato.
It's a cake with chocolate, honey, different kind of dry fruits, candied orange, some spicy like cinnamon, nutmeg, and black pepper.
This is a sweet round cake that's famous in this region. Chocolate, walnuts, candied orange, I'm in. Step 1, roughly crush the nuts.
Now we fold the towel, yes, okay. And you have to start to broken the dried fruits.
Step 2, chop the chocolate and add it into the bowl with nuts. Also add your dried fruit. Mix together well. Does it get more delicious than this? Step 3, add the spices.
So perfect. So now it's time to add spices. So cinnamon, half teaspoon of cinnamon.
Fresh ground pepper, so Italian.
Or let's say that a minimum of a half teaspoon, okay? But if you like more, we can add more, of course. You can transfer the pepper in, okay? And mix well, please.
Step 4, grate some nutmeg into the bowl, so fresh.
Okay.
Step 5, add the honey to a saucepan to melt. We want the honey to melt into a beautiful liquid.
So now we need to melt honey, and it will take like a minute to be liquid, okay? Because we have to transfer it in the mixture, and you will see that chocolate will be completely melted thanks of the honey, okay?
The hot honey will melt the chocolate.
We have to melt honey, and we stir until honey will be liquid. You see? At the beginning was very, very hard, huh?
Yes.
And now it's starting to be liquid and transparent.
I can't wait.
You see? Okay, so now, Devyn, we have to run to add honey in the mixture because we want that chocolate will be melted thanks to the honey. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so go. Go.
Stir and watch that chocolate melt. How delicious does that look? Add a little flour a bit at a time.
Now we have to add flour, okay? But let's say little by little because the mixture will be really hard, okay? Okay.
You don't want the mixture to get too hard.
And can you add the rest of the flour?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
How delicious does that look?
Go around. Okay. Okay, let me see. Okay.
Bake at 185 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes.
Okay. So now the Panpepato needs to cook for, let's say, 25 minutes
Okay.
to 180 degrees Celsius.
That's 365 degrees in Fahrenheit. You can trim the extra edges of the baking paper. In the end, a perfect chocolate cake. I hope you try making a Panpepato too. Thanks to my new Italian friends. Ciao!